Don't you guys just hate these plastic caps? You drop them in there, your fingers are so fat. Yeah, the thing ate it. Where'd it go? This monster ate my plastic cap. How the world are you gonna get that out of there now? One screw after another. Fighting to get to that doggone plastic cap. What is it gonna take? Now I gotta grab in here with my hands? I might lose my fingers. It might eat me now. Whew. I survived. I got it. Actually, there is a solution. Somebody came up with the locking cap. Wouldn't you know? Look at that. No more amputation and no more fighting them there screws.